Yo, what up, boys? It's your boy Trader Mayne here with a quick little video. Foot is fucking mangled, boys. They got me hopped up on all sorts of fucking drugs and shit, and my body is just ravaged. Um, Went on a little bit of a flame throwing mission there today. I don't know if anyone noticed, but I was a little bit cheesed for obvious reasons. But you know what? Life is too short to be negative and to, hold negative emotions. I'm a big believer in the law of attraction, and you just got to be positive. Positivity is what's best always. So, no time for that negative shit. No time for being upset. More important things to do, like crushing these trades like we do here. 12.6K followers, guys. Can't even believe it. It's insane. We called this one fucking so money. Great, feels great to be back in Canada. Colombia was crazy. I'm still gonna do a live stream with you guys, and we'll talk about Colombia. We'll go over the markets more in depth. We'll answer all the questions you have in the question section. This is just a quick little update for you, going over the trade that we posted. In the group. Feels good to get back in the saddle and fucking nail the first one out there. So, it's funny. All of Twitter has been posting about this order block. They were posting about a breaker up here, actually. So what's funny and what makes me not so mad is, as much as people might, be using order blocks and shit more, I think there's a direct correlation in the amount of order blocks and breakers we're seeing in people's charts since I started posting more. I'm not saying it's all me. I'm not saying I invented it, but I think it's more than a coincidence that you're seeing a lot of this out there. A lot of people were memeing this shit. A lot of people are saying ICT shit doesn't work. Order blocks are a meme. Well, fuck you all. Not you guys, obviously, but fuck anyone who questions it. Because, the proof's in the pudding, baby. Proof is in my fucking Twitter feed. Proof is in this Discord. I prove it to you guys, I think, on a consistent basis. June 26th, 3 days ago, fucking mangled, coming back from Colombia. My thoughts were simple. I said if I wasn't dying from a Colombian disease, I ended up managing to get into this long. I thought we had a chance of having a retrace here. Posted this, fuck you calling me a hindsight trader. All those people online saying that, oh, this is all hindsight. This is fucking live for you. This is free money. I'm posting the same shit everyone else is posting. But the problem is, and what makes me not upset is, as much as people think they know what they're doing, they don't know what the fuck they're doing. They don't have all the sauce. They don't. They know bits and pieces of it. They watch Scout Sniper. All of a sudden, they think they know what the fuck they're doing. There's more to it than that. I've put the time in. I'm not saying it's not something you can learn. Some of the guys in our Discord are crushing it right now and are doing great, and are getting better. But there's more factors than just drawing out the order block. It's more than just finding this candle, drawing it out, and then boom, you get a fucking $1,000 green dildo. There's more to it than that. So I'm going to post a little or talk about it a little bit. I'm going to keep this video just in the Discord. I don't know if I'm going to put this one on YouTube. Maybe I will. I don't know, but we'll see. So I'll kind of walk you guys through my thought process here as to, how I kind of thought this would play out. Very similar to that false bear flag that I called up towards 10K that was epic as fuck. There's more to it than just the TA. So what was happening here? We're going down. We had just swept. I'll just go through this real quick, right? Boom, called in advance. Called it when we're in there. I said, initial targets, highlighted the liquidity pool, 6,600 being my ultimate target there. Boom. I called 6,600, boys. You've seen it. Don't fucking at me. That's what's up. So, how did I figure this? Couple of things, right? Higher time frame here. What do we got? First thing you want to do, we're down by What have we learned in all the videos I've posted, right? Only mark the levels where we're close to in price. All the other levels are irrelevant. You don't want to muddy up your chart with a bunch of levels that, we're not even close to. So we got that one there. We had this one here. We had obviously this one here. And then we had, let's just do these lows here. Right, so these are all daily levels. I mean, just marking off those daily levels, nothing else. We completely encapsulate this entire dump, within a few dollars, and then the resulting pump out of there. So what else do we have here? Now that we have these levels marked, what else can we look for? Well, we can look for a range, a trading range, right? Something like this. I want to draw this way though. Right, so longs are going to be best taken in the lower part of the trading range. Shorts would be in the upper 2/3, right? So anything really below here, based on this high to this dump of a low here, or we can do this one. Sorry, let's pretend this hadn't happened yet, right? Because we're describing this move. This range, you want to be looking for longs below 61.50. That's just how it is. That's the OTE, baby. That's where I was born. So that's part of it. Another part of it is what? Well, after this move here, we had everyone online thinking we were going up again. Remember, we had Flood saying he was getting long up here. I'm sure he averaged himself all the way down here. But he was wrong again. A bunch of people think we were going to 7K, and then we dumped, right? No one thought we were going to dump, then we dumped. And we dumped hard, and then we actually broke that low that we had from way, way back here, right? We actually broke that low from wherever it was, February. So people were going crazy when this happened, right? You guys go on Twitter. What was Twitter like? What were the charts you were seeing? 3K, Bitcoin's going to zero, all the meme charts. That's the time. That's when you want to be paying attention on Twitter, when you see a bunch of people talking euphoric shit. The bears were getting euphoric down here. We had a nice bounce here, and literally all I did was draw out this order block because we had this huge dump. We broke a significant level, and we're near key weekly or key daily levels, right? So I drew out this order block, and this is just bread and butter, ICT. Got the order block. We're near key daily levels, so the order block makes sense. We had an extended down move. We're now in the lower part of a range, right? Lower part of a range, extended down move. People on Twitter screaming for 3K. It was bound that we were going to have some sort of a retrace. We had inefficient price action here, eventually going to get filled. We had all sorts of confluence adding up. We have these two daily levels. I mean, you could have just entered on these being a swing failure pattern, right? This low here is a swing failure pattern from the swing over there, or you could have done this one. There's so many ways you could have entered this, but the ICT way, the way I did it, is, what I'm showing you here. Look, we have the key level here, key levels here, draw out the order block. Why is this an order block? It's the down candle near key levels. We broke market structure here to the upside. We pull our magic fib. I posted this in the Discord. I said, do you see the OTE, right? We got our OTE right around here. We've got key levels here. If I were to take the equilibrium of this order block, I guarantee you it would be somewhere right around here. I mean, you're sniping almost the absolute bottom of this move. It's as good as it gets in terms of a buy. So a lot of people longed here. I know Flood longed at 6,100, and posted, and then he said he was averaging it down, and then he posted today that he was in a sub 6K long. So I don't know if this guy is just on low leverage and just buys all of his fucking orders down until they look like a better entry, sub 6K long. Pretty sure I have a post from him not that long ago saying he was, in a long much higher than that. I'm not going to spend too time. So, I mean, look, average down my long entry from 6,313 to 6,018. And he averaged it down to sub 6K. So, not many people, I mean, this works. I mean, I'm not saying he's a bad trader. This shit works, but this doesn't work for most people. You got to have a huge stack and be going on low leverage to be able to average down your position like that, or else it's not even worth it. You could have a small ass position and average it down all day, but you're not gonna make any money unless you're fucking gambling, huge amounts of coin and then averaging it down. So I mean, yes, he came out on top, but in my opinion, the fact that he entered at 6,300, it's like, bro, you longed here, fucking dazed. Anyways, so there's the fucking entry, guys. Like, that's it, right? Extended down move, lower part of the range on the daily chart. We had key daily levels. We had an order block here, breaking market structure. We had the bearish Twitter sentiment. It just all lined up perfectly. And at the end of the day, if I was wrong, who gives a fuck, right? So, I mean, my entry, I got in somewhere around here. 58.55. I think I got in right around this daily level was my average. So pretty, I mean, obviously I didn't get in at, 50, 58.18 like someone we know, but I know that same person closed out $80 later. I got in $30 later, but I ran the move for almost $1,000 candle, right? So the other aspect here, the other piece of the puzzle beyond, OTE, order block, key daily levels, Twitter sentiment, is think like the market maker, guys. What fucking move would fuck retail traders the most? Who was on fucking CNBC saying the next stop for Bitcoin was 53.50? Maybe it is, but the fact of the matter is everyone was fucking shorting here, thinking we were going down more. What would be the ultimate fuck you move? The ultimate fuck you move would be to be like, okay, yeah, everyone's short, let's dump it all the way down to 57.80. I mean, almost break this low, and then let's bash them with $1,000 green candle the other way. That is how you fuck retail traders. That's how the market makers think. That's how you need to think. That's how I was able to predict this move. And everything lines up. Fib extension, another key daily level. People are asking me where I take profits. Fib extensions, previous highs, key daily levels. I scaled out some here, and I scaled out some up here. And, I have a very small portion riding still. So just a quick little video for you guys kind of describing how I decided to go in this trade. Another quick thing I'll show you here is, where was the risk reward? Even just to here. Like, do you not take that trade all day? Fucking 7-1, right? You could have played, and I kept saying in the Discord, I'll play it loose. Because what if they blow this low as a Judas swing or a swing failure and then ram it? I didn't want to miss it. So I could have played my stop fucking down here. Still had a damn near 2-1, right? So it's all about playing probabilities. You're not going to be right every time, but when you trade like this, you can be precise. And so when you are right, like we were here, you get paid huge. And when you're wrong, you barely lose anything. So that's the name of the game. Quick little vid for you. I'm looking forward to doing some sort of a live stream here, hopefully this weekend. My foot is still decently fucked up, but feeling better every day. So hopefully we'll be able to queue that up for sometime this weekend. I'll keep you guys posted. Anyways, talk to you guys soon. Trader Mayne signing out.